Hey everyone, I'm Dynamic John Mickle of Dynamic Carpet Care, and every day I'm asked, how do I get out stains from a carpet? And one of the ones I'm asked about quite often is, how do I get mud out of my carpet? Well, I'm going to show you how. Here's some items you're going to need to get that mud out of your carpet. Now obviously, we don't have any mud on the carpet here, but I'm still going to show you. First, you're going to need your shop vac. Then we have a bottle of plain warm water. We have a bottle of warm water mixed with some dish detergent. You got a clean white cloth, and then we just have a regular vacuum. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the vacuum because it's a good chance that the mud has dried on the carpet. Whatever's dried on there, you're going to take your vacuum, go over it real good. There's a good chance that you're probably going to get most of that mud up. If not, once we're done vacuuming, you're going to take your bottle of warm water mixed with the dish detergent, and you're only going to put a couple drops of this dish detergent in that bottle. You're going to spray the areas. Once you spray the areas, you're going to start the cleaning process. Now, a lot of people reach out for their first hard bristled brush here and start scrubbing away at the mud. We don't want to do that. What that'll do is it'll wear your carpet, and who knows what else it'll do. So keep away from the brushes. So all you need is a cotton white towel or cloth. Spray the areas, wipe them up. Once you're done and it looks like all the stains are out, you want to take some warm water, just spray the couple of areas, and then you're going to turn your shop vac on and go up and extract those up. Why do we do that? That last step is probably the most important because we don't want those stains to reappear. If you just take a cleaner with soap and spray it, the soap stays in the carpet. We want to get the soap out, and that's what the shop vac does. So I hope this helped you in removing mud from your carpet. If it didn't, contact a local professional in your area, or feel free to contact me personally at www.dynamiccarpetcaretampa.com. I'm Dynamic John Mickle with Dynamic Carpet Care, and keep it clean, my friends.